Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Linear for AI-assisted product workflow automations, complete guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser and enter the URL www.linear.app in the address bar. Once the website loads, look for the Get Started or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on this button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be directed to a registration page that requires your email address. Enter a valid email address and create a secure password for your new account. After filling out the required fields, click on the Sign Up button. You may receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open your email inbox and locate the confirmation email from Linear. Click on the link provided in the email to verify your account. Once verified, return to the Linear website and log in using your email and password. After logging in, explore the interface to familiarize yourself with the features offered. To access AI-assisted product workflow automations, navigate to the Integrations section in the dashboard. Look for the option to enable AI features or automations. Review the subscription plans to find one that best suits your needs. You will be prompted to enter payment information to finalize the subscription. Fill in your payment details and confirm the subscription. After processing your payment, you will receive a confirmation message on your screen. You can now start using Linear's AI-assisted product workflow automations. Explore the various automations available to enhance your product management process. Remember to check for updates and new features regularly to maximize your experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.